It's Twitter of emotions. That's what it is.
Okay, we're at VatorSplash. God, what a great sign, you guys. A little more color, a little more energy than anything else that's here. Bubbalon.
Well, that's what Bubbalon's all about. Bubbalon's all about the energy and the emotions that you have in the moments of your life. We believe that you have to have sentiment in order to deliver relevant values to people, and that's what Bubbalon is all about. So
you're talking about in the geolocation space, when people are checking into a particular venue, they can rate something.
That's
correct?
one way, yeah.
Okay.
And people, we have an integration with Foursquare, where after you make a check-in, we'll send you a tweet asking you how you feel about that place. So perhaps it's a Starbucks coffee, and you can check in and you can say, oh, this coffee was excellent, or this coffee was really bad. And that tweet comes back to us, and then we add that to Bubbalon. It also goes out to your social graph. So now you get more value out of your check-in. So Bubbalon puts anything in the world as an object on the site. And as a good example, you can see here is a stream of what people are talking about today, and here's the show Glee. Okay? So unlike a like or a dislike, Bubbalon offers...
Okay, so we're looking at a TV program here.
Yes. And Bubbalon offers atrocious, all the way up to awesome. And you can see there's all sorts of shades of gray in between. And we understand that people's emotions it's a human connection that you're making. And so we have the emoticon, and we have the words that you can use to describe how you feel. We also have a numerical backend which allows us to give you statistical data and allows us to do neat things with that. So that's the core of what Bubbalon's about. It's about visceral emotions. It's about getting it wherever you are at any moment in time.
And obviously this is on the desktop, but it's a mobile app, right?
Yes, we have a mobile app coming along, and I'd like to show you a little bit of an early version. This should be in the Apple App Store in a couple of weeks. And this is very cool. What we're doing here is we're actually able to leverage the Foursquare and Gowalla API. And then using the same type of a rating mechanism as on Bubbalon, you can then rate that place. So I can say,
on Bubbalon.com.
and this goes to Bubbalon.com, and you can also choose to have this shoot out to Twitter or Facebook, so you can share it with your friends. And it's the same kind of a rating mechanism. You end up with the photo that you just took. You have a comment field, and right now no one's rated it, so the score is 0. So by manipulating the slider on the mobile device, and...
So I have a question, because this sounds like it would be really cool to add sort of the geo-location aspect of it in terms of this particular a hotel or a restaurant, for example. If I, as that vendor, wanted to learn what people thought in the southwest of the United States, are you able to demographically break it down?
Yeah, we can actually do that. If you're on our website, we have for any object. So, for instance, for Glee, using our filtration system, we can get more granular statistics about any aspect. And you could even put in a location. So you could say a zip code, a town, or a state. And if you have a group on the site, we can actually find out what a group thinks about something as well. So I can say, I want to know what men ages 20 to 30 in, well, I'm not going to do a location for this. I'm just going to men 20 to 30, and I can see that they don't really like Glee. They've given it a 22 out of 100, where the world score is more like a 53.
Interesting.
And any negative sentiment, if I'm a big brand, if I'm Ford, if I'm GM, if I'm a winemaker, restaurant, anybody, it doesn't matter how big you are, you need to care about how people feel about your product. This is a perfect forum, this is a perfect environment for you to get the feelers out and see how people feel about what you do.
So whatever bubbles up to the top.
That's right, what bubbles up
wins.
to the top. Usually the good stuff does.
Such a great name. So where can people find out more?
www.bubbalon.com, which is Bubbalon.
And on Facebook?
Yep, we have a fan page on Facebook. You can find us on Twitter, also at Bubbalon.com.
Okay, at Bubbalon on Twitter.
Yes.
And I love this. And Alex, you made this, I learned, that you're like a man of many hats.
Yeah, sure. I mean, my background is advertising, so I do all the sort of visual kind of aspect of that, Because it's such a broad idea, we wanted to keep it very neutral right now. So that's what you see on the main site, and we're exploring more vertical sort of niche markets. But on the main site, it's going to be very suggestive. Not a lot of things going on UI-wise. Graphics is very simple. That's how we want it. It's Twitter of emotions. That's what it is.
Love it.
Thanks.
Okay, we're all going to go in and tune in to Bubbalon.com.
Thank you.
And it's free.
Free's alley.
Free's good.